Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we have something exciting to share with you. Wall trellis design ideas that will transform your outdoor space into a botanical paradise. Let's start with a classic design, the diamond pattern. This timeless pattern adds elegance and structure to any wall, whether you are growing climbing roses by ivy. The diamond trellises create a stunning backdrop. Imagine sipping your morning coffee surrounded by blooming roses. It's picture perfect way to start your day. Next up, we have the fan-shaped trellis. This design is ideal for small spaces and adding a focal point to your garden. The fan shape creates a sense of movement and visual interest. You can train vines or even small fruit trees on this trellis for a vertical garden that's as functional as it is beautiful. Moving on to a more modern look, we have the geometric trellis. This design plays with angles and shapes, adding a contemporary flair to your outdoor area. Succulents and other low maintenance plants thrive on this type of trellis, making it perfect for busy gardeners who still want a sticking display. Now let's talk about the living wall trellis. This innovative design combines greenery and structure, creating a living work of art on your wall. You can customize the plant to suit your style, from herbs for a functional kitchen garden to colorful flowers for a vibrant display. Let's delve into the world of vertical garden with our next trellis design, the packet trellis. This unique design features pockets or compartment where you can plant a variety of flowers, herbs and succulents. The pocket trellis not only adds visual appeal to your wall but also maximizes spaces by creating a lush garden in a limited area. Now let's explore the whimsical world of fairy tale trellises. These trellises are designed in shape like hearts, stars, or even animal, adding a touch of magic to your garden. Last but not least, we have the multifunctional trellis. This design serves not only as a spot for climbing plants but also incorporate features like shelves or hooks for hanging planters or a garden decor. The multifunctional trellis maximizes both vertical and horizontal space, making it perfect for compact garden or balconies. We have explored an array of creative wall trellis design today, each offering its unique charm and functionality. Whether you are a traditionalist or a trendsetter, there's a trellis design that suits your style and garden needs. We hope you are inspired to transform your outdoor space with these captivating trellis design. Remember to like, share and subscribe for more gardening inspirations. Until next time, happy gardening and may your wall bloom with beauty. Take care. Allah Hafiz.